Hello there, and I just want to welcome all the new subscribers for joining my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and to the subscribers that have stuck with me, thank you so much. I'm glad that these videos are helping you. So today I just went to Bunnings and got this little platter. So I'm just going to do a little bloom. I'm using this little piggy, Violet Rain. So I thought I'd use that on top of my pillow paint first. And I'm using a Dioxazine purple. That's looking good. This little piggy Enchantment and Holcroft Brilliant Violet. Okay guys, so this is the dried result, and you know, to me it's just very ordinary. It didn't turn out as I was hoping, and also, you know, I didn't have enough of the blue cell activator on there. I would have preferred a bit more, but I do like the way it's popping through. And I think my paint consistencies and also the cell activator, more so the blue, should have been adjusted a bit more. So I've got the pillow paint, which will be white, then I'll have my oxide black, this little piggy Enchantment, Dioxazine purple, and then it's this little piggy Funk, at Holcroft Brilliant Violet, and I'll be using the this little piggy Violet Rain.